Wonderful babe. It's fine, girl. I know do something.
Guys, guess what? I nearly missed my convocation, guys. I got a call today that convocation is on Saturday from my brother. Clearance just started last week, and this is the second week into clearance. Me, I was thinking convocation that clearance will take up to like 3 weeks or even a month before they talk about convocation. But convocation is this week Saturday, guys. All the school documents that I need for the clearance is in the village. So I have to travel to the village to get them, and time is no longer on my side because then it's a lot of things traveling and also sorting out the things when I get home because I need to travel from there straight down to Oka. I don't need to come back here to Enugu City because it's going to be stressful. I was thinking it's going to be like clearance or at least take 1 month, but it hasn't. And now see my hair. Like, how am I going to carry this hair to convocation? But I think at the end of the day, I have to make do with what I have. Either I do some trimming and fix up the rest with gel and go over to the convocation day. I have to make do with what I have, okay? You might be wondering what my documents are doing in the village. Yeah, when I relocated from Oka to Enugu, I thought about those things occupying space here in Enugu and be that I don't have need of them. But that this particular file that I'm looking for, I don't know the particular bag is inside, but this file, once I get it, I'm done. Like, because it's this file that contains everything that I need to do my clearance with all my course registration, exam registration, and whatever. And in case you don't know, I studied in Oka Studies International Open University. So about the hair and the clothes I'm going to wear, I'm going to find something in my wardrobe and make do with what I have. This is me going through my bag, searching for my file. So this book is all my money that went down to university. I am back to Enugu. It's Thursday. Today is Thursday and I'm back to Enugu. Yes, I told the guys that I'm supposed to travel from the village down to Oka for my clearance once I get my documents from the village. But I couldn't make that travel. I canceled my travel because a lot of things came up, a lot of things that will be to my disadvantage. So I had to shift the traveling to next week. So I'm traveling next week to Oka, next week Wednesday to Oka to do my clearance. But nevertheless, we will still go to our convocation. I will still attend my convocation, but that won't be in Oka. That was supposed to be in Oka if I am in Oka because I studied in Oka. But since I'm here in Enugu, and we have study center here in Enugu, National Open University study center here in Enugu. So I will attend their own. Guys, do you know that the first payment, like the first payment of my form in National Open University is here in that file, like way back 2013. So it's still in that file. But the most important thing they need, I can't find it. I don't know where I kept. I don't know if I ever had that. I don't just know. But I'll sort that out in school when I get to school. And next week, the only things that are going to take me money, now Nigeria stuff, sorting. Like Nigeria is so stressful. Every office wants you to sort them before they do the things they're supposed to do. It breaks my heart. Serious, it breaks my heart. So guys, let me show you my file. So this is the bag I traveled with. See my file inside the bag. Let me get them out. This is that almighty file I'm talking about that contains everything from I mean not everything, I mean just the document, the necessary document, like I said before, this is the very first payment that I made. Transaction date 2013. You see, 2013. This, you see it, 5,000 naira. Then this is my admission letter into the National Open University, admission to study law. Yeah, and see the date, 13th March 2013. Guys, when I tell you guys I studied law for 10 years in Open University, don't doubt. I have a video on that. It will come up soon. It will come up next week, Saturday. So expect that and hear what I have to say. Why it extended to 10 years instead of 5 years. Okay. This is where they did this also where you registered your longest say that is your project. Alright guys, see you on convocation day. We'll bring you back again. Yeah? It's a busy body. Everybody, yeah. I don't know if I know how to sing that song, but yeah, we bring it back again. It's Saturday morning, and guess what it is? I'm getting ready for my convocation day. Finally, we are here finally, and 4th April, we'll go and collect our certificate. So you see you guys on the convocation ground. Peace out. Is finally my convocation day after 10 years in the university, studying law in National Open University, Oka Study Center precisely. You may be wondering 10 years. Yes, 10 years. And a video on what happened is coming up on this channel next week, Saturday. My regrets, my advice for someone studying law, and again for someone studying law in National Open University. Okay, so you guys rate my outfit. Check my channel. We have Ankara styles that you might like for yourself. Okay, and thank you for subscribing for it. If you like to subscribe, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys on my convocation. Convocation is over. I'm late, so late. Couldn't meet up, so this is what I can find. This is what I met. Just like that, I missed the convocation. Okay, and I met a friend. Political science.
Yes, I'm Samuel. What's your name?
Stella.
Stella.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wonderful babe. It's fine, yeah. I'm gonna do something.